Hello and welcome. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google Ads Partner company based in UAE as a full-fledged LLC company, and we have been running Google Ads for past around 18 years and helping people with Google Ads management, optimization, setting up, and helping people with the Google Ads compliance policy and ads disapprovals and suspensions. So in this video, I'm going to cover one of a full-fledged issue, very common, very popular, and that is how to fix Google Ads compromised site. So imagine a day you wake up and you get an email from Google Ads that your Google Ads have been disapproved for compromised site error. Or if you are not eligible to run your ads due to compromised site, imagine you were running your ads suddenly fine and suddenly you see this error. And you will be like, oh, what I did, what I did. You were like, I'm my business, my team, everyone is running up, everyone is working around, and then still I see this error. Oh my god, what to do now? So don't panic. If you panic, you will actually lose. Also, you may have to lose because you may need to pose up your campaigns for some times till you see the figure out. So in case if you have see this error or like Google Ads compromise that error, look around for recent changes you have done on your recent changes. Okay, so the first thing, I assume that recent changes on your website can be probably it could be due to your new theme, change of hosting company, installing SSL or removing SSL, installing or removing any SSL certificate, any plugin, someone has hacked your website. Okay, these are the first errors you may have look around for your recent changes. Apart from this, you may also look around for your Google Ads account and look around for change histories to see if there were any changes on your Google Ads account which has caused this. So after you are done with this, my next bet is going to be look around for Google Search Console. So I'm going to open Google Search Console over here. So let me log in. So what you have to do is to, once you log in into your Google Search Console, look around for your core web vitals issues, HTTPS issues, any issue over there in your indexation, any security issues, manual actions issues. Look around for these things. They can tell you. Sometimes there are small errors, which can cause issues. For instance, sometimes there are issues over here sometimes which are being told, like which can cause the arts disapproval. Sometimes it can even lead to suspension as well, and we can help both. So as a Google partner company, we have been helping around and we can help you with that as well. So once you are being sorted around this, I think that the next thing is to be look around for your website. For instance, this is our company website, and I'm going to do an audit to tell you how to fix this error. So I'm going to start with PageSpeed inside. This is another error, tool by Google. So I'm going to write my website over here to see if there are any speed issues. Okay. Please try to understand, if your website has been disapproved or suspended from Google, Google is now going to do a deep down manual analysis on your website and may look for other errors as well, which were not supposed to be the reason for suspensioning your website or having it disapproved for compromised site, but other factors have need to be looked around as well, including the speed. While this happens, I'm going to show you the other one as well. So we are moving to the Google Safe Browsing Transparency Report to see if our website has any transparency issues or safe browsing issues. So we are going to write our website over here. Okay, while you may see the safe browsing status is no unsafe content found, website is safe. So look around for this. If this is found, we may need to look around on plugins or website source code to figure out, okay, there may be another reason as well. So maybe another is some files on your hosting account can be a reason as well for your suspension. So some files on your hosting account can be a reason. Now moving back to the page speed, you may look around over here. The website mobile speed is too much slow. This needs a lot of optimization and improvement. Apart from this, the desktop speed is also slow, which needs an optimization. These factors can be a reason for your ad disapproval, so look around for them as well. After this, look around for your dead link checker. Move on to the dead link checker to see if your website has any dead links. Create a report with all of these things over here. Okay, the speed test is also ignorable, but that is good for SEO purposes, so look around for that as well. This is the malware and security checker for Shukri, which is a very popular common, and I'm going to use it to check our website as well, and that is free of cost, which I'm going to use. So with the broken link, they are checking around my website to see if are there any broken links. If there are any broken links, I need to sort it and do a redirection from a search console as well to get it sorted. So do it, get it sorted on your search console over here. Have them on the backlink remover after it's being sorted and after having been redirected to main page. Look around for over here. The website is no malware found, site is not blacklisted, medium risk. If it's a low risk or a high risk website, look around for this one as well to see if there is are any issues, which can be the reasons why it's your website is disapproved for compromised site. And look around for this one as well to see if are there any broken links, and these can be fixed around. These needed to be fixed around after you look around for the errors, issues. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to start communication with the Google team to figure out. We use multiple channels including Google Chat support. As a Google partner, we have been given a Google Chat support plus email communication plus phone call communication to figure out if there are any issues which Google is triggering which can cause suspension. Apart from this, I could maybe doing other things including reviewing my Google Ads ad copy to see any errors, issues. So I may move on to my Google Ads account to see any errors over there, and after looking around my ad copy, I'm going to review my website content as well. Sometimes the website has any content which can be issue. If you are having SSL certificate, return refund policy, contact us, all of these pages, these are all of the important pages need to be on your website present. If your website professional, do not have any broken links, it's not misleading. For instance, some people have the reviews not clickable. Sometimes the Google partner link is not clickable or something like this. If your website has some links which are not clickable or which are not moving, although they are clickable but not moving to the right direction, or they were supposed to be clickable but they are not clickable at all, misleading, having someone non-original other person, third party person, or maybe reflecting someone else, or if you are selling a duplicate or copied counterfeit item on your website, or selling someone else products without their permission, these can be other reasons as well why your website is suspended for Google Ads compromised site. So you need to figure out all of these things, and perfect communication with the Google team is required to get this sorted. We have been sorting out Google Ads compromised site cases. Me and my team have been doing it for years. We have sorted many cases, and we still work with our Google Ads disapprovals. Be it any misleading, misrepresentation, circumventing system, egregious violation, counterfeit, be it a suspension, be it an ad disapproval, we are one of the pioneer company to help you with Google Ads disapproval. So in case if your Google Ads have been disapproved, or if your Google Ads account is suspended, or if you need a professional management with the Google Ads, which we primarily work as a Google partner company, we primarily help clients in optimizing and assisting them in achieving good ROI, return on investment, with the Google Ads campaign. If you need either of the services, you are most welcome to hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company with the official Google recognition to help you in optimizing with your Google Ads and sorting it out. Let's make your Google Ads to the next level by working with us. You can hire us through the link in the description. I hope you like my tutorial on how to fix Google Ads for compromised site error. Now these are the errors which I have pointed are the common ones, and there may be something, maybe a different thing which is occurred or will occur in your case, because every case is different. So far we have observed that every case is different, and any could be a new reason or another reason which is why your ads have been disapproved for compromised site. I cannot label one reason for compromised site error. It can be many. So in order to sort this compromised site error or any other ads disapproval, we need to go a thorough review. There are other factors as well. For instance, after starting Google Merchant Center, Google Business Profile suspensions, we learned more checklist checkpoints, which could be a reason. Sometimes, there is an issue in your checkout system. Sometimes your return refund policy page and your main page have conflict of wording. This can cause suspension or ad disapproval. So I'm saying the reasons can be many, but these are the common reasons why your Google ads have been disapproved from my side, but can be any. And if you need help with any other issue as well, you are more than welcome to hire us through the link in the description. I hope you like this video and I look forward to working with you. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.